my fitness journey, I've come across so many people in the gym that have told me they don't do certain lifts because they're either not a fan of the lift, or they don't think that they can do it in general, or that the lift seems awkward. Let me tell you, the best way to becoming more confident in your lifts is to be more confident in yourself and your abilities. That's number one. One of the biggest setbacks I feel people have, including myself at one point, is not being sure if they could actually lift the weight that they're about to attempt, or in general just performing the movement correctly. So Jay, how do I actually gain confidence in my lifts, you may ask? Well, the most simple but effective answer is to seriously get in the gym and practice the lift, period. Like they always say, practice makes perfect. You have to practice the lift in order to get better at it so that you can gain that initial confidence in yourself that you can do it. Now, if you are not familiar with the type of lift you may be attempting to try, you can always search around for tutorials or even hit me up and I'll send you a DM tutorial of the movement. Just like I stated in my last video, don't be afraid to lift light weights. I'll put a card here somewhere on the screen so you can check out that video titled Top 5 Reasons to Lift Lightweight. Click that card if you're curious to know what we talked about in that video. Light weights are your best friend when trying to get better with form or learning a new movement. Anytime you are trying a new movement or lift in the gym, you always want to go light first to understand the mechanics of the lift so that you can ultimately avoid any injuries. So, all in all, if you go to the gym and apply some of these small things I've said in this video, you'll be able to lift and do the movements with ease, as well as be a bit more confident about your training session. It's been your boy Jay. Don't forget to like because it helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any video that's uploaded to the channel. And make sure you drop a comment and let me know what you think of the video, or any questions you may have, just drop them in the comment section below. It's been your boy Jay, GymMonsta81, representing that GymMonsta Fitness. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.